Kobus, I know you've spoken about this to other media outlets, but I remember when you started playing for the Bulls and you spoke about, wanting to play for the Springboks and doing it with your brother. Obviously, you've now gone and done that, and we've seen all the amazing pictures of the two of you on the field. What does it mean to you? And I mean, just as a family, bringing you together on the field in a Springbok jersey.
Yeah, hi Annemie. No, me and Jasper and I believe our whole family is immensely proud and grateful for the opportunity. And I think doing it once is special, but if we have the privilege and we both stay fit and injury free, and we can do it a few more times, that'll be gold for us. So no, yeah, as I said, immensely grateful, immensely proud to be, or to share a Springbok jersey with my brother. So yeah, actually still a bit lost for words in terms of how proud and grateful we are.